Hi there, I'm Krista with WTI. You know, that one piece of home decor that makes everything else feel just a little more put together? Well, for me, this VEROS wooden Ottoman tray set is that piece. When I opened the box, I was blown away by how beautifully crafted this tray is. The texture is smooth, the wood tone is soft, and the surface is just the right size. It's definitely large enough for entertaining, but it's still perfect for our personal daily use on our ottoman. And it's surprisingly lightweight, yet it feels really sturdy. The carved handle openings are sized just right for my small hands. The raised edges are just perfect so that I never worry about anything sliding off while I'm walking with it. And aren't these bamboo coasters such a thoughtful little addition to the set? They match perfectly and look elegant while working hard to protect my furniture. So whether you're hosting or just beautifying your personal space, this VEROS wooden ottoman tray set is the decor piece you will literally keep reaching for again and again. And that's my point of view.